Good morning, everyone. This is Ali Hussein Kassim of Ali Talks Tech. We are back at the Novacom Summit, this time in beautiful, sunny Stellenbosch in Cape Town. Today, I have a super interesting guest who I will be speaking with. My brother, Bra Amadou from Niger. So, Bra.
Yes, Ali.
In Kiswahili, we say karibu, which means welcome.
Welcome.
Yeah, welcome, my brother. It's really, really great to speak with you. So, Bra Amadou is head of Airtel Money in Niger, but Bra also has another important role, a couple of important roles that he is playing in Niger. But let's start with who you are, what you do, and then we'll go straight into bantering about the mobile money in general in Niger, how that is evolving and helping to grow financial inclusion and financial wellness in Niger and the greater West Africa region. Bra, over to you, brother.
Thank you, Ali, to give me this platform to discuss regarding
You're welcome, brother.
my countries, what is happening regarding financial services in the market. It is great to meet you also because you have seen what you are doing in the network regarding to involve people to know how is and what is the mobile financial services is running regarding all Africa
Yes.
countries. That is a good job you have done.
Thank you,
Congratulate for this one.
Thank you, thank you.
And my name, like you said, I am Amadou Bra. I am leading mobile money services in Niger. And also, I am leading one project for our continent who have a relationship with financial inclusive.
Okay.
Because I am have been appointed 1 year in the past by the new authorities in my countries as vice president of our national foundation.
Okay.
Yeah, no, we collect resources, we put it on innovating project to build some project in our countries.
Tell me about the National Foundation of Niger.
Yeah. The National Foundation is the new structure who has been put in place in 11 October 2023 by the new leadership.
So it's about 1 year old.
1 year old. And we have on mission to collect money from internal money, from taxes, from our petrol, our resources, and also to put this money for creation, to create more project impacted rural population.
Okay.
To involve them to get financial services like mobile money, to get some microcredit, to finance also our agriculture, because you know our countries is very big, and also around 18% of our countries are in rural. Okay. So we want to use this money to help them to get maybe to develop their lives by putting this money on some project who will impact their lives.
Okay, okay, great. So let's talk about mobile money and your role at Airtel and the general mobile money and financial services ecosystem in Niger. What's the population of Niger? How many how do you call them? Nigerians or
Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Yeah.
So how many of your population are using mobile money regularly, and how has that impacted financial inclusion and wellness in the country?
Okay. The first one is regarding the population. We have around 27 million on population side.
Okay.
And also the mobile money penetration is very low. Is very low in our countries. We have around 6% penetration.
Only 6%?
Only 6%.
Why is that?
Because, people in our countries, people aim to use cash. They are cash market. They don't believe on digital because they are afraid to put their money in the wallet.
What's the fear?
The fear is that when they put the money in the wallet, they said, when I want to maybe cash out to get my money, who can give it? And we have some issue also,
So
some cultural issue also, cultural issue,
okay.
Because we have Muslim countries, and in Muslim countries they don't want to use. They said that like bank, the people are not using bank because bank penetration also is very low.
Okay, so let's talk about that for 1 minute. Let's talk about, because being a Muslim, I am a Muslim.
Yeah.
I'm not seeing the connection between not wanting to use mobile money and being a Muslim and banking services. Or are you saying there's no Sharia compliant banking services in Nigeria?
Yeah, they said that there is no, when we get some commission, okay, in financial services, they tell that it is a riba, that is haram. So our bank services, they are changed their way because they create Islamic banks also. There is some Islamic bank, even the commercial bank, they create a new branch or a new product to address this kind of people who don't want to use bank.
So there's possibly a very important education campaign that needs to be done for mobile money in mosques, in madrasas, with ulamas talking about the fact that using mobile money doesn't mean that it is haram, and fees are not, fees or commissions is not interest.
Yeah.
Because in Islam we are encouraged to trade.
Yeah.
Is that a fact?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you are trading and then you are saying, I am selling you product A for 10 shillings and I bought it for 8 shillings, my profit is 20 shillings.
Yeah.
I'm sending you mobile money, you will need to pay fees, a small fee for the convenience, instead of you walking a certain distance to send somebody money, or instead of having to give a bus driver money to go to another. See where I'm going with this?
Yeah. I understand. But what you are doing in our country to convince them to use mobile money, you said that there is no commission.
Yes.
When you open your account, it's free.
Okay.
When you have to do some transaction, you have to pay.
Yes.
Okay. Like the convenience we bring you. So the commission is only for our trade partner who use this mobile services like to earn money.
Yes.
So they get commission. We don't have issue on this side. Okay. We, like you say, we deploy more campaign to educate people on what is the advantages to use mobile money.
And how's that campaign going?
Yeah, it's going well.
Okay.
Because our financial ministry have put in place what we call Observatoire de la qualité des services financiers.
Okay.
It is a new structure who is leading the quality of financial services deployed by all providers in the market.
This is led by the Ministry of Finance.
Oh, finance.
That
yeah.
is fantastic.
Okay, and they take the consumer needs, the consumer complaints regarding mobile money, and also the provider.
So there's a good framework for consumer protection.
Yeah, because in the committee we have the consumer representative, we have the mobile money services provider. I am the one who represent all this industry. We have the banks, we have the insurance, we have also the other mobile service provider in this committee.
Nice.
This national committee who think about how to bring people to use mobile services in our country, how to make it easy for population to access to mobile services around the countries. Like I say, 18% of our population have lived in rural.
18%?
18. No, not 80. 80.
80?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. 80.
Our rural population. They don't access to
no access to banks. No access
because
to...
all we have around 40 banks, 40
banks for a 27 million population. Those are too many banks.
The issue is the issue is that all these banks are located in the big town.
I see.
The second and
so
the tertiary
serving rural areas.
No, rural areas. And also the micro financial services
are not there.
In the past we have, but with some issue they are bankrupt. They have done the bankrupt. We have maybe 5 who are operating, but in some area.
I see. So let me ask you, what's the connection between mobile money and the incumbent financial services offered by banks? Is there a connection? Are the banks using mobile money to move financial services further downstream in the country, especially in the rural areas?
Yeah, we have developed one project we call bank to wallet and wallet to bank. Who provide...
This is now Airtel Money.
Airtel Money and also the other.
And the others. How many other players are there?
Sorry to take on mobile money, we have...
so you have,
like operator,
you have
Airtel Money, we have Zamani Cash.
Zamani Cash.
We have Move Money.
Move Money.
Move Money. Okay. This is the 3 regarding telco. And even that, we have another kind of mobile services, mobile money service provider.
So let's zero in on these 3 first. Yeah. Who is the dominant player among the 3? Who has the biggest market?
Airtel Money is the biggest.
What percent?
Around 45% of market share. Next, we have Move.
You have Move.
Yeah, okay. And also we have Zamani.
Okay, so Move is what percent?
Move is around 25 to 30.
Okay, and then the rest is Zamani. So it's evenly.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the penetration is very low.
It's very low.
When we see the
growth is more important for everybody.
For everybody.
So how do you see collaboration between the players in the mobile money space to grow the pie?
Yeah, the future is that our central bank have developed one platform when all operator will be linked in this platform. So we can send money from Airtel Money to move to Zamani.
Interoperability.
Interoperability. Yeah,
which is driven by
the central banks. Yeah, they have started the test. Now we are working to link to
that is quite interesting.
because we need this kind of platform to bring people using mobile money. Because when I have Airtel Money, I don't want to send. I can't send to someone who have another wallet. But with this innovation, we can send money to each other, even maybe with banks, because even the banks will be linked in this platform. And also we have some kind of companies in our market who we call transfer companies, local transfer companies. We call them STA, money transfer companies. These are local companies who are very, very powerful. They have built a big network.
Agent network.
Agent network, because there is a new model who are different from mobile money model.
That is interesting. Tell me a little bit about that.
But this one have leading the market, the mobile transfer market.
The mobile transfer market, these agents?
This kind of companies in our countries, we have around 6 of
And how is the connection between the mobile money players and these mobile money agents?
We in 2021, I have signed a memorandum, a partnership with one of them. So we can go in their agency and we can do deposit on your Airtel Money account. We can do cash out in their because they have a presence in rural area. They build a strong.
So, you know, we are running out of time, but this conversation is just so interesting. So these agents are not attached to mobile money companies.
You know.
They are independent.
Independent.
And what do they use? Is it they have their own technology, or is it just like Hawala type?
It is a Hawala type.
It's Hawala type.
Hawala type. Yeah, it is a Hawala type.
Oh wow.
Yeah, but we bring them to use mobile money.
Which brings us to the fact that most Niger don't like digital money.
Yeah.
That's why these Hawala type agents are very
powerful, because they have give cash.
That is interesting.
I want to send money to my grandfather in the village. I come to the agency, I give cash,
and then
I give my grandfather mobile number, and they receive text message. You have received X amount.
That's very simple.
And she went to the next agency. They give their number and they withdraw.
Oh, wow.
So with this kind of companies,
I can see why they are powerful.
They are powerful because they put enough money.
Yes,
it is their own network.
So the float is very important for them.
Yeah. But they have created also the wallet.
Oh, they've also created a wallet.
They create the wallet because they have seen people.
I see the kind of evolution that this is happening, and it's creating a very interesting ecosystem, which sort of brings me to sort of try and close this out now, to just emphasize the fact that Africa is a very interesting continent.
Yes.
And even for us Africans, sometimes we forget that every country has its own nuances.
Yes.
And this is a very interesting nuance from Niger. Look, Bra, my brother, Shukr, thank you so much for having this conversation, but I will definitely be asking Imran, my executive producer, to reach out to you so that we can have a bigger, longer conversation online. Inshallah.
Inshallah.
All right.
My
brother, thank you so much.
To give me
it's been a real
this
pleasure.
time
anytime.
To talk about my countries.
And please make sure you enjoy the beautiful Cape Town and Stellenbosch.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.